Introducing paid surveys. Taking surveys is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. Companies spend huge amounts of money to research consumers' views about their products and services. They approach a survey panel with a large community of members to conduct research on their products. Survey panels will send an invitation to their members regarding the study through email. To start the survey, the link given on the invitation mail has to be clicked. Taking the survey is very simple, as is choosing the best answer. The member has to read the questions carefully and give his opinion. Once the survey is completed, the reward points will be instantly credited to the panel account, which can be cashed out later. Reward points can be redeemed to cash and gift rewards anytime. That includes check, PayPal, and Amazon gift card. Other than products and services, studies are conducted about travel, people, education, work, entertainment, and more. The pay per survey depends on various factors, such as the length of the survey, demographics, and nature of the study. The pay can vary from $1 to $10. Being a member of only one survey panel, we might receive fewer survey invitations. As a result, less money flows into the account. Joining more panels ensures that we get more chances to participate in surveys. More surveys, more money. This is how the entire thing goes. Companies pay survey panels to conduct their study. Panels pay their members, like us, for participating in the research study. Companies use the results to improve their products and increase sales. Hope you now know how paid surveys work. Through paid surveys, people make tons every month. Why not you? Join all the sites listed below.